In this video, we'll have a look at how to use automation to add notes to a contact. So what I want to do is whenever an opportunity is updated with the next date and the next action notes, I want to apply a note to the contact record recording that. So first thing we're going to do is go and set up our note to be created. So I go to Contact Actions and we'll add a new one and we say Create Next Action Note. So it's going to be opportunity that drives this and we want to create a note. So we then have our options here for what should the note title be, and we can say Next Action Updated. And let's go and grab the next action date for that. I can then also go and say next action set for, and let's date, details, and then we can merge in the notes. So that's then going to be, and then I can also go and add some tags. So let's say here we're going to have next action as the tag so that we know that that's what it relates to, and that makes the note searchable. So we have that. Let's go and copy this and we'll then say save. Okay. So then we go back to our trigger action, because remember notes are part of the payload section of a trigger action. So we go and add that opportunity. It's going to be for the client because I want to apply the note to the client. So I'll save that. I've not refreshed yet, so my action isn't available yet in the drop-down, but we'll come to that. And then I need to say, okay, under what condition do I want to apply the note? So I'll go here and I say next action amended. Opportunity, I'm happy for it to restart once a day. So if the action gets updated every day for some reason, or 2 days in a row, I want it to run there. But if it gets updated twice on the same day, I don't need necessarily those details done. So again, we go for the client and we'll go in here and we'll say when the next action date is amended. Okay, so I can then go and save that. So now I'll refresh. Head back to our automation. I can now go and add the note to my action. So create next action note, save that, and go and set up the group under the opportunity. And we'll say when the next action is amended, then create the next action note, and we'll set that there. So I'll go into this opportunity here. We have the client is contact 4, the sales rep is contact 3. I'll go and change this date to Monday and say follow up details of proposal. And I'll go and save that. And then the automation will run for that and apply the note. So let's just see on our history when that runs. And that looks like it's run already. So now when I go to the contact, I won't see it here because this is the sales rep's contact I'm viewing, but I can go and view our client contact. And there's my note, next action, and the details for that, and also the date that the note was applied. And that's then driven by that opportunity. So whenever I go and amend that, it will update that and add that note to the contact record.